Hello friends, Captain Addy here and welcome to the channel. Today I will complete the F-15DJ which I have been building, and this is part 3 of the build series. This video will take you through the weathering, decaling and the final assembly of the F-15. So let's get started. As a recap, in the last video we finished the painting process for the F-15. Now we paint the last bits. I paint the engine exhaust area bright silver with a few variations in color to avoid a monotone. This will be dry brushed with brown pigment for the staining. Similarly, the engine exhausts are painted. I do the panel line wash before the decaling this time. I made a watercolor wash using dark grey watercolor and about 90% water. This wash is applied liberally on the whole model. Next, after the wash has dried, I use a Q-tip to carefully remove the wash. The Q-tip is lightly damped with water so that the wash doesn't get removed, and if it does, we can simply apply more. It takes me 2 passes with the Q-tips to remove the wash, and I do this in the direction of the airflow over the aircraft. Next, I use the relevant Academy stencils and start by applying the no step and no push markings. As you can see, the no step markings have been applied at the required points. The walkway markings are also applied, and the grey bits will be touched upon with a fine brush. Because of the pandemic, I could not get my hands on the JASDF markings for the Aggressor aircrafts. So for the time being, I decided to just write some generic markings using a Copic alcohol marker. The same marker is used all over the model to make the panel number and the other stencil markings. As and when I get the JASDF stencils, I will simply paint over these markings with grey paint and apply the relevant stencils. I made my own decals for the roundels and the unit insignia, and this completes the decaling for this machine. The ejection seats are detailed with masking tape and put in the aircraft. The cockpit is detailed with silver base paint and clear green paint for the LCDs. The parts are now simply attached to complete the aircraft. I spray the whole model with a matte varnish to seal it in. The canopy masking tape is removed and I brush it with future floor polish to get the shine. The drop tanks are just press fit to the model. And thus we complete the F-15DJ of the Japan Air Self-Defense Force. I hope you like the build series, guys. Do look forward for more. Cheers, friends.